Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today marks the first day of something quite exciting. I am moving to a new premises, not to live, but to work. I'm going to take you along with me, show you it, and talk to you about the plans for it. I'm quite excited. The weather is proper nice today. I'll show you. Yeah. And the nature. Basically, I've got to get to our old lockup and get some stuff down to the new one in this glorious weather. Hopefully it's going to ease up later. I think I'm going to get wet and a bit muddy, but we're doing it anyway. Hey! This is going to be in it, mate. The new place of business. This is the old place. That's all got to go into the new place. Well, not all of it. Some of it is rubbish. Oh, heck. Here we go. 3 runs in. Kind of making a dent in it. Now, I've got to go charge this thing up. And they said electric vehicles was a good idea. It's going to take me an hour, maybe more, to charge the car up now, which means that's an hour, maybe more, that I'm not doing anything. Just sitting there. Great idea, aren't they? Right, it is obviously in disarray at the moment, but you can get an idea of what I'm working with here. I think up to where this light is here, that's going to be storage up to the ceiling, and what I intend to do is put a false wall across there, possibly with a door in it, with a lock on it, and then cut that off, and then the other half of the unit, which will be all of that area, can be workshop and studio area. So I intend to have a desk across here and possibly a sofa, seating area, stuff like that, and then I can have my computer, my door set up, I can work on guitars and Dinky Sinks stuff and all of that. So it's quite a big area. I'm going to get some more lights in here as well. I'll just pick that up from Home Bargains for a couple of quid. It's just a USB thingy. USB? It's an LED thingy. Just to give us some light so I can shut the door a little bit. I've got a diesel heater which I've got to do a review on down there, so I will do this week. I need to build that, and we'll just vent that in through the door to keep it warm in here and obviously dry. But yeah, this is it, boys and girls. And the good thing is I can pull the van right up to here as well, so that's also another bonus, because come the end of this month we're not even going to have a car, we're only going to have the van. But they're cool with it. There's plenty of space to bring the van up. So yeah, we're really happy with it, and we get water thrown in. Bingo mess. So I figured the desk could go here, so I cleared the space there, stacked all this up in not any particular order, but it's still loads of space. I'm done in. So now I'm contemplating whether I should do another run. It's 2:30. It gets dark in about 2 hours. It's about an hour there and back. But then the traffic getting back to the van, which is 45 minutes away at the moment. If I leave it too late, then the traffic will be bad. So I might just go back now. Do some more tomorrow. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we're on day 2. Got some racking to build. Got me desk free on Marketplace to build. And we've got more stuff. Oh no. There's the desk. And there's what I can do of the racking. Needs the back on it because it's not very stable without the back on it. I suppose that holds it all together. And there's loads of clips missing, which we have to find. But that's there. Another day, a little bit more progress. That was day 2. And now it's day 3 today. Don't know why I sound Australian then. Today. Bluey! It's day 3. I've got back to the racking. Got an hour drive to get to the lockup. I don't think I'm going to pull anything out of the old lockup. I'm just going to sort this lot out, so I'll see you there. We are, as we left it, is the backs to the racking. So we're going to get that up to make that more secure. And then I think the racking's going to go in the back there somewhere. And then all of this, I'm going to try and sort out my gear from it. And make myself a work area, because I need to get on with some work. I need to earn some money. And I also need to get the charity going as well, which involves lots of guitar stuff. So, wish me luck. Lovely jubbly, made some more progress. As you can guess, I've got some plans for the future. The near future, hopefully. So I've managed to get the racking up, get this sorted out a bit. There's quite a lot of rubbish to get rid of still. There's still more stuff to come in here, believe it or not. But the idea is this half is storage. From this bit here, from these containers here, is going to be the workshop. So this is Dinky Sinks stuff in there, and that is guitar stuff in there. Obviously guitars there. I do have some guitars in here at the moment. None of this is how it's supposed to be. T-Bone's going to have to come down and sort all of this out. But I've just put it all out of the way. So I've got quite a few guitars in there which need to go into being fixed and either donated or sold or modded or whatever. But yeah, we're getting there. 3 days. Day 4, and we're back, and I'm doing this. Diesel heater, portable one. I'm doing a review of this, but I get to keep it, which is great, because it's blooming freezing in here. What are we looking at? Whew, say freezing, it's about 7-8 degrees. So I'm going to get this done, and then get some heat going, eh? That's been blowing full blast now for about 10 minutes. The controller's saying it's up to 57 degrees in here. My thermometer over here is saying over 60, so that's 62 or 18, no, 15, 16, maybe 17 degrees. It is warmer over here than it is by the door, obviously. But that's not too bad considering the size of this place and the fact that I've got to have the door open like that. It was a pretty big room, but once I get this partitioned off, so it should heat it pretty well. I may put something across there as well to block out most of the draft. Day 5, I've got reinforcements at last.
I know, but I need the other stuff so I can sort through that at the same time, can't I?
Well, you need to sort this lot out so there's room to bring the other stuff. In it.
In it. Let's get my decorations for the van, that's the most important thing.
Acquired this was in the bin. That's my new workbench, which is awesome.
Might be able to actually find some warm clothes. My winter clothes are in here somewhere, or maybe in the other place, I don't know.
The other thing to sort out is obviously shelves. Oh, we need to find the brackets.
You need to find the packet of the nuts that I gave you.
I need to find my nuts. What's the saying? It gets worse before it gets better.
Yeah. Maybe that's new second.
I had it so nice and tidy. I know. Please do not throw. Keep Tracy. Don't throw her away. Never. Day 5. It's day blah 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 blah. Don't know anymore. Losing the will to live.
Hello.
T-Bone's in there.
Do you know the stuff that I just thought we had? It's just crazy. We need big car boots now.
There's a big giraffe.
Hello, giraffe.
We will get it sorted.
I don't know. It's painful, isn't it?
I don't know. So I'm going to leave the video there for the minute. I think that was day 6, day 7, I don't know. But we will get it sorted very soon. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much and God bless you. And see you in the next one when normality hopefully returns. Here's the jingle.
We'll ride these roads forever, side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take, this van called Amazing Race, no chance we'll break.